I went to Goodwill today and I found a whole TV. This is a black and white CRT TV. It's the same on all sides. Why did they do that? This is actually pretty new for black and white TV standards. I think this is made for like if you're stuck in a hurricane or something and you need a TV to watch the news or listen to the radio. It even comes with a car cord. I could hook this up to my car if I wanted to. I don't know if I want to. Let's crack this thing open now. Okay, here we are. Ooh. You're very short in person. This thing is tiny, absolutely tiny. Well, 5 inches. This is actually pretty big. This is actually an average size TV, now that I think about it. I don't even know if this thing works. I just got home from the Goodwill. I wouldn't imagine the analog TV would show anything. I could listen to the radio on it. Let's get this plugged in. Let's see if it even works. I might have just gotten greased at Goodwill. Bam. Let's see. Okay, we're plugged in. Whoa. Oh my. This is not gonna look good on camera. Is the contrast like cranked? Hold on, let me... Vertical hold, there we go. Now we're getting some static. Let's turn on this brightness a little bit. Okay, this is the switch to the AV. Okay, let's listen to some tunes though. That's like some sort of gospel.
10 years old. I put her in the closet and started piling clothes on her. We were playing Star Wars Compactor.
I get it. Okay. There's a point to this video. You see this and you see this? That's gonna be this in a sec. Okay. Sorry, I got off track. The music was just too good. There's a couple things you need to get this onto that. And I forgot them, so let me go run over to them real quick. This right here should be all I need, actually. This RCA to HDMI, this is all I should need. All right, so basically we just gotta take this box, plug the yellow one in here, and then the yellow into here. And then we're gonna need to put HDMI into the box. And then HDMI into my computer. Come on. Hold on. There we go. Okay. It's recognizing something, but that doesn't really mean much. I mean, I guess there's only one way to find out. We're not seeing anything. Ooh. Oh, wait, we are seeing something. I'm seeing a little bit of something. Bear with me. Oh, that is the start of my desktop. You can kind of see. Oh gosh. It's even flickering bad on my end. Oh, we got it. Let me make sure it shows up good on the camera though. Well, this actually might be the best you're gonna get. It doesn't look that bad though. All right. This is my desktop on this. Actually, I can give it audio too. Hold on, let me give it audio real quick. All right, so we should be able to just... Oh, that sounds terrible. I don't think it's supposed to... Windows has never sounded like that, ever, I don't think. Let's put on some tunes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, but that's not what everyone here is here to see. We're here to see some games. I don't have very many games. Actually, do I have Fallout? I feel like Fallout would be the perfect game to play on this PC. I don't have Fallout. What is the smallest? Fallout 3, here you come. You zoom in a little bit. There we go. It should be Here we go. This is a good angle we got here. While Fallout downloads, let's try some Minecraft. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my. Oh no, I don't know why I just did that. Can't F11 it. Let's make a new world. Yeah, that button. Let me press that button. I'm gonna have to play Minecraft in a very odd position, my hand behind right here. It's okay, I've played on weirder. Oh my, like it did. There we go. It's, you know what, it rolling like this is a lot better than it just being stationary. This is kind of relaxing, like the hum of the CRT. It's just kind of hard to make anything out. I'm pretty colorblind, so this isn't really the hardest thing in the world for me. See, those are some sheep. I can make out that they're sheep. The picture is actually really clear on this. Like, this is nice. I'm having a fun time because, like, I don't know, it has a charm to it. My Fallout 3 is ready. All right, time for the main attraction.
I don't
want to set the world on fire. This is awesome. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I want to look just like that. It feels like I'm really in Fallout.
There you go. My goodness, just a year old and already walking like a pro.
I can just talk. Yeah, I'm a smart-ass baby. I'm not even gonna lie though, I am getting sick. Just like looking at this. I get so motion sick so easily.
There's me right.
Okay, I think I will throw up if I look at this any longer. People with stronger stomachs than me will love this. Okay, I think this is gonna be enough of the TV today before I lose my lunch all over it, actually. This is really messing with my brain. Like and subscribe, guys, if you want to see more crazy content. I think I'm going to go throw up in the toilet, actually. This is killing me.